Hi guys, in this video I am going to discussing about the topic of Perl programming language. So in previous tutorials I have discussed about C language technical requirements and embedded system related topics. So this is my new video. I am going to start a new tutorial. So here I am discussing about Perl programming language. So most of the people don't know about this Perl language, and it is an advanced language. Nowadays most of the people using this language in development and testing purpose also. So many of the companies are interested in this language, and now where technologies are using, right? Most of the technologies also using this language. So because it is a user friendly, and we can manipulate these string operations and all these text manipulations we can do with very easy, and it is a user friendly programming language. So that's why most of the companies are using this Perl language, and most of the technologies also using this language. Hi guys, my name is Naren. In this tutorial I am going to discussing about Perl programming language. This is my first video about these Perl programming language. In this entire tutorial I am going to discussing about 15 concepts. I have divided into 15 concepts. These are the 15 concepts. You can read these concepts so one by one. So first one is introduction basic programming, and second one is print operation in Perl. Third one is how to install Perl and Linux in Windows operating system, like that. And fourth one is operators, and the fifth one is conditional statements. Sixth one is loops. Seventh one is regular expressions. Eighth one is hashes. Ninth one is functions and references. 10th one is array and strings. 11th one is modules and packages. 12th one is classes and objects. 13th one is inheritance. 14th one is file handling and directories. 15th one is using MOS. These are the concepts are related to C language and C++ also, but we have a advanced feature, right, like Python and those things we can using with the single line code. These are the operations we can made in this Perl programming language also. So this is the advantage of this language. So in this tutorial I am going to discussing about brief introduction and some print operation of this Perl language. So here this is the introduction of this Perl language. Actually this is created in 1987 by Larry Wald. So and it is widely used for text manipulation, and some of the features of the Perl are we can use it, we have a different modules. We can use that module for our program, our code, our project, any of the things we wanted, we can use that modules. So in these language has a feature of this database, right? We can integrate with database also. We have a different type of database: MySQL, Oracle, Sybase, and Postgres. So these are the different type of databases we can integrate with the Perl language. And we can use the features of a C and C, COBOL and Python. These are the different other language features also we can use in these Perl language. And it also supports object oriented programming, and it's a Unicode language. So I will explain about this Unicode in my upcoming videos. So we can interface with the C and C++ libraries also. This is a brief introduction about Perl programming language. So now we are going to discussing about these print operation and all these things in this Perl programming language. It is a scripting language. So now I am, for your kind information, I am using Linux operating system. You can use Windows or Windows operating system also. For now I have Linux operating system only. So I am discussing these concepts in Linux operating system, and I will explain in my second video how to install these Perl in Windows and Linux. Those are things I will explain in upcoming videos. For now I will explain how to create first file. Actually I am using Vim. So who are using this Linux operating, they already know about this Vim. Vim is a text editor. So here I am using text editor Vim. So we need to create a name, right? Test.pl. So here PL is an extension of a Perl programming language. So we need to use .pl for like .c for C language, C for C language, right? Like that we have using test.pl extension PL for Perl programming language. For Python we are using .pm, right? So like that we are using here test.pl. So enter. For we are going to discuss, we need to click on I for insert option in Linux operating system. So here I am using small print operation, print -Naren. Sorry, let me use other sentence. Knowledge chip. This is my YouTube channel name. Knowledge chip Perl programming tutorials. Sorry if I did any mistake in this text or something, so we need to close with this. So we have to save, right? We need to click on escape and shift colon WQ, it will save the file. So that's it. So after we need to compile it, right? It will, further we have to use file name, and in front we have to use PERL. So here knowledge chip Perl programming tutorial, this is a print operation. Let me open again and explain it. So this is print knowledge chip Perl programming language, Perl programming tutorial. Here I have made, right? So this is a first print operation. So this is very single line code. We can, is user friendly and we can easily learn this language. So in my upcoming videos I will explain all the details of this Perl programming language and all the coding related programs of these Perl programming language. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos, and please support me. Okay friends, thank you.